Hi there, boys and girls. We are going to talk today about finding just right books. And if you look at the title of my anchor chart, it says Just Right Books. And there's a subtitle that starts with the word how. It says how to pick the perfect book. So you're at the library, or maybe you're in your classroom, or maybe you are at home looking at a bookshelf, and you want to find a book that is just right for you. And a book that is just right for you might not be the same book that is just right for your brother or your sister or your friend. So let's talk about picking that just right book for you. It's a great idea to start with the first bullet that you see here, which says read the back cover. There's often a blurb on the back cover, which can give you a little idea about what the book is about. If you read the back cover and it sounds very interesting to you, you might want to continue on to determine if the book is just right for you. But boys and girls, if you read the back cover and it does not sound exciting, or maybe it sounds boring or scary, that's not a just right book for you. So start by reading the back cover. Then you can take a picture walk, as you see on the second bullet in our anchor chart. Taking a picture walk means that you flip through the pages, you look at the pictures, maybe you start to think about what the characters are doing, and you see how you feel about the book through that way. Another strategy you can use is the red strategy you see here on the third bullet, which says read the inside flap. Boys and girls, sometimes books have book jackets, and there's something on the inside, and that will give you a little more information about the book. Let's look at the fourth bullet, which has a blue statement. It says, think about your purpose. Boys and girls, authors write books for a purpose, and readers read books for a purpose. Are you hoping to read a book that is funny? Well, you need to decide if the book you have picked is going to make you laugh. Are you looking for a book that will teach you a lesson? Then you want to make sure that your book is nonfiction and teaching you something, or is a fiction book that will have a moral. Are you interested in a book that's going to teach you more about a certain topic, maybe race cars or skateboards or a certain holiday? Then you need to be certain that your book is going to fill your purpose. The green statement, which is our fifth bullet, says use 5-finger test. And there is a 5-finger rule video that you can watch to remind yourself what that is. Another strategy you can use is the pink one here that says read table of contents. Many nonfiction books have a table of contents page, and some fiction books have that as well. Does that sound interesting to you? Are you excited about it? Next says, is it a similar genre? Genre is the type of book. Is it similar to other books that you've read and you enjoyed those? Maybe it's a fairy tale and you like fairy tales. Or maybe it is another nonfiction book about a similar topic. Or perhaps it is a fiction book by the same author that you've already read. And that follows up to our red question, is it a series? Have you already read a book about Junie B. Jones and this is another book about Junie B. Jones? Or about the llama and this is now another book about the llama? There are so many books in series and you can read more and more of them. So that's something to consider too. And the very last one, my apologies, the very last one is here in blue. It says, can you summarize a page? That's kind of a follow-up to the 5-finger rule. Can you read a little bit and make certain that you understand it, knowing that that book is just right for you? So there are many, many things you can do to get familiar with a book, and that will help you decide if that book is just right for you. So grab a book. Ask yourself some questions. Is this book just right for you? Enjoy.